Hey, I'm Jaron, and Cubase 14 has a new delay effect. It's called Studio Delay. I've got an idea of how to use it. I want to take the notes from this chord progression. And I want to mirror the rhythms of the hi-hats and percussion sounds in this drum pattern. To do this, we're going to use a very short synth sound using Retrolog 2. Here's what it sounds like. And we're going to use Studio Delay to create a rhythmic pattern. Let's do it. First, let's draw in our MIDI clip. I know exactly the rhythm I want to use because it's the same rhythm of this high conga part in the drum loop. That's exactly what I want this synth to do. We'll draw our pattern in, 4 bars. Over the C minor 11 chord, we'll play the notes G and D. That's going to be right here. Now that I'm hearing it, I realize that I actually want the high conga to be on its own, and I want this synth to be in response to that. So we'll keep the same rhythm, but we'll scoot it over 2 quarter notes. Let's see how this feels. There's more clarity now. Let's do the same thing for the 3rd and 4th bar over the G minor 9 chord with 2 different notes, C and F. Let's see which one sounds better, going up from C to F or down from F to C. We'll try both. Cool, that works. Let's flip those last 2 just to see how it feels. I think I like that better. The conga is actually playing a C note, and so when the synth resolves to that C note, it gives the music a sense of completion. We'll go with it. Now let's bring in the piano chords to see how that blends in with everything. Now here's where Studio Delay comes in. There's this big open space after each of those 2 notes that Retrolog is playing. Let's try to fill that in with Studio Delay. So we'll add Studio Delay as an effect. As an insert, we'll go to Delay, Studio Delay. And what really caught my eye about Studio Delay is this pattern functionality. Let's try some of these and see how it feels. That's cool, but right now it's set to half note delay, so we're not getting a whole lot of activity. Let's try quarter notes. Cool. Let's try 8th notes while we're here. Okay, I think I'm into the quarter notes, but I want a dotted quarter note. Right now it is a straight quarter note. We have all of these other rhythmic options down here. T is triplet, and D is dotted. Let's try dotted quarter note. Let's try eighth note dotted. I think that's more what I had in mind. Let's turn the feedback up. Let's turn the age up. Let's see what that does. I think I might be hearing a little bit of detuning. Let's turn up the feedback even more. Yeah, and let's go back to retro log and turn down the filter cutoff. We'll turn the resonance down a little bit. And let's add a little bit of reverb here in studio delay. Cool. This is a nice little texture now. You know what I think it needs though? It needs bass. Next, I'm gonna bust out the fretless bass and we'll check out how Cubase 14's new event volume curves can help us shape dynamics to enhance groove. I'll see you there.